Hello guys! Share ko lang sa inyo itong nabili ko sa Lazada. Isang solar light floodlight. Solar powered, walang electricity, so savings tayo sa electric bill natin. So it's a solar battery charging. Advantages is installation, walang wiring, and it is a LED. Energy saving also. And it has high quality batteries. And has an aluminum body to prevent bust in rain. And feature nito is with intelligent light control, wireless remote control, and switch electric display. So it has also IP67. So this is an AC installation without wire, high quality batteries, long service life, aluminum alloy, prevent rust and rain. So ito yung tsura guys, solar light, floodlight. So it comes with a remote with auto and on off with a timer. We need 3 hours, 2 hours. So let's try the remote if can. So let's turn it on, then off. So very easy, very convenient because it has a wireless remote control. So it has also a timer if you want 3 hours, 2 hours, 8 hours. So I will put it in auto mode. In nighttime it will lights on, and daytime it will lights off. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and share and subscribe.